2012, change the things that you can. Ron Paul, 2012. Yeah, Ron Paul, we can do it. We can turn this New World Order system on its head. And Dallas is a great city to spread the message of truth and liberty. Because we all know in 1963, on November 22nd, JFK was murdered by the CIA in your city. Here, in the war, elect Ron Paul for 2012. We can do it. Freedom is, it's our right. It's our destiny. Freedom is our destiny. One way or another. Okay. Mic check. Mic check. Are you ready to write down your New Year's resolutions? We're not going to take the police state any longer. We're going to vote in Ron Paul 2012. We're going to hold the bankers accountable. New Year's resolution. Why stop with smoking and drinking? Let's go bigger. New Year's resolution. Let's hold Congress accountable. Let's be responsible for our actions, for our votes. Let's ask for more accountability in our government. New Year's resolution, no more police state. New Year's resolution, no New World Order. New Year's resolution, let's not just think small about the little things, about going to the gym and whatnot. Let's wake people up. Yeah. Let's wake them up. The New World Order, the shadow government, that which runs the United States of America, is ready for 2012. They're ready to launch more drones over our skies. They're ready to launch more illegal wars in the Middle East. They're ready to build more prisons within the United States. It is time to make the ultimate New Year's resolution. We are going to break the spell of mind control that we have been under. This is about an awakening. This is about a deeper understanding as to what is happening in terms of the larger picture. Not Dallas, Texas, but the United States. In fact, larger than that, planet Earth. The U.S. government just passed the National Defense Authorization Bill of 2012, where anyone they claims is supporting terrorism, they can lock up without giving them a court case or a lawyer. This is not a republic. This is not a democracy. We are watching these things go by in slow motion like a bad movie. And this bad movie that we're living in, you just can't hit the stop button. You just can't hit the eject button. We are living in this world because we are supposed to learn to become better people. We're not supposed to support dictators. We're not supposed to support politicians that lie to us, that rob us, that murder innocent women and children. We are being tested on Earth now. How good are we going to be in 2012? What kind of legacy are we going to leave behind for our children and our children's children? It is time to speak to that higher self inside your mind that knows that these wars of aggression are wrong.
Baby. Hey, check it out. Don't forget about the big party going down tonight, man. It's going to be happening.
I don't care about your party, man.
89.3.
We are the party.
New Year's Eve party.
2012, the Great Awakening, the death of apathy. 2012, the Great Awakening. 2012, the Great Freedom.
You want a ticket to get in where you can fit in?
Breaking the chains that bind us. 2012. It is time to end the master-slave relationship. Embrace your freedom. Embrace 2012. Embrace possibility. Embrace curiosity. Embrace the truth. We are ready for 2012. We're ready to expose the New World Order, aren't we? We're ready to end the apathy in our hearts, aren't we? We're ready for the spiritual renaissance, aren't we? We're ready to stand up to those slave masters that have oppressed us and our ancestors for thousands of years, aren't we? Let me hear something. Let me hear something. Anything but give me more tyranny. Let's hear your roar for freedom. 2012, the beginning, not the end. 2012, the beginning of our freedom, not the end of the world. 2012, the Great Awakening. The year you, I, all of us are going to work harder than ever to end tyrannical control, to end that plan for global government, to vote in Ron Paul 2012, to end the wars, to be accountable for the shit they've done in our name, to expose the criminals, because that's godly, that is just. That is righteous, to point out those in your government that wish to do wrong to you, your children, and your grandchildren. 2012 is not the end of the world. 2012 is the beginning of the Great Awakening of the human species. Can't you feel it? The awakening is here. We're becoming more conscious than ever. That's why we can see through their lies, their banker bailouts, their stage wars for World War III with China, Russia, and the United States, all the weapons they've sold these countries, all these enemies we have to fight. Isn't it time we voted in a candidate that is actually standing with the American people, the Bill of Rights and U.S. Constitution?
My husband refers to the snow as a landscape equalizer, like that.
In the Fed! In the Fed! In the Fed! In the Fed! Expose the Federal Reserve, folks!
Tonight, sponsored by Immigrants.
That's what the Occupy movement should have really been about. In the Federal Reserve!
New Year's Eve party. Tonight at the Ladies' Choice Nightclub, 3022 West.